If you're using Google Docs and Sites, using a form as a doc collector can make your life simpler and save you time so you're not weeding through Drive for assignments or things that folks have shared with you. The most popular use for this type of form is to collect assignments, often referred to as the assignment collector. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create your own assignment collector. Students access the form online and they enter their name, they select the assignment, optionally, maybe the block they're in, and then paste the URL to their document there. Let's go ahead and create an assignment collector. Start in your Drive and click on Create and choose Form. You need to name the form, so you're going to call it, in this example, I'll call it Stark, because I am Mr. Stark, Assignment Collector. I am going to recommend that you require login and then automatically collect the student's username. You still want to collect their name in the form itself, but by auto-collecting their username is just another benefit, another insurance that you have the accurate person listed with the information. So here we go. The first question, even collecting usernames, I recommend you collect their name. Use the question, text question, make it a required question, and I collect last name and first name separately always so that I can sort by last or first. The first two sample questions in a form are there for you to just edit. So if you hover to the right and click on the pencil, you get edit. By default, they're text questions. I always make the questions required so that if a student doesn't complete the form and hit submit, it will remind them to go back and do that. Once you ask to collect their name, you're ready to add the next question. This question could be assignment type. So I'm going to show you, choose from a list and say, which assignment is this? Which assignment is this? You can word it any way you want. I put choose one as the first option because that's what they're going to see. So I don't want them to just pick the first thing on the list. I want them to have to click on it to see what the options are. So let's say I'm collecting essay 1 and presentation 1 and graphs 1. I make it a required question. So I can use the same form to collect the graphs, the presentation, and the essay URLs. I don't have to go to different forms to find those. And if you want, let's say you teach more than one block, you could, we'll grab a multiple choice for this one. Let's say, what block are you in? Or group or period. And then you could say A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3, A, B, J. Make it a required question and click on Done. And finally, you're ready to collect the URL. So the last item you want is paragraph text, and we're going to ask them to paste the URL of the assignment here. I always put in here, make sure you have shared the file with me. I have a system where students create their docs in a folder that's already shared with me every time, and then they automatically post to the assignment collector because I want to view their docs from the very beginning. I want to be able to provide informative assessment throughout. I want to be able to easily scan doc to doc to see the progress that my students are making. So I say, click on the folder shared with me, create, grab the URL, and submit the form in the assignment collector. So then we make that a required question and click on Done. And now you're ready to post this assignment collector. If you want to, you can select a theme. You just click on theme at the top, and then let's go ahead and grab the Books Classic, and I say, oh, I like that, and I click on Apply. So now I have my assignment collectors ready to go. You can edit the confirmation message they get. So let's say under More Actions, you click on Edit Confirmation. Automatically it will say your response has been recorded, but you can edit this and say, thank you, be sure to check the calendar for benchmark dates. Anything you want. So you have the opportunity to edit the confirmation they get when they hit Form Submit. So we can save that. And then let's see, what's next? Well, the next thing you want to do is you want to see your form and you want to try it out. So you click on the form and you take a look at it and it looks good. So you enter your name. So I'm going to just try it out using my name. I'm Mr. Stark. Presentation 1, Block B, URL, and then the student, that's where they would paste the doc assignment. And if you don't know what that means, let's go and find a doc. So let's say that this is the document they want to pass in, their internet essay. They just take the URL, Control C, copy it. They go to the form and they Control V, paste it in, and then they hit Submit. Okay, thank you. Be sure to check the calendar for benchmark date. So they got the customized response. You as a teacher now can go to your form. So if you're in Edit View here, you can click on See Responses and go to the spreadsheet. And I can see that everything worked out lovely. And there's the URL. So you can imagine if you have 150 students and they're in different blocks, you can sort by block, you can sort by last name, and then you can click on the link and get right to the document. So take a moment to create your assignment collector, and then in the next video, we'll show you how to embed it or email it to the recipients.